Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mitali's blog. In this channel, you will get videos related educational activities, worksheets, travel and lifestyle. In today's video, I will show you the Einstein box for 4 to 6 year old kids. In this box, you will get one big habitat puzzle, color mixing palette, one painting brush, good manners game card, one storybook with stickers, one wipe pen clean storybook, spray painting set, some stencils and one toothbrush and one painting brush. The puzzles are big in size. Personally, I like this product. I bought it from Amazon. uh, it is available on their website also. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.